Daddy, I got Santa bubbles.
You got Santa bubbles.
Mm-hmm. Because it has Leslie. A bear and a bear.
Oh my.
Listen, you know what? I get a radio for the back, and I got this. I get a lot of stuff.
And a pink duck.
And I get a blue duck.
Yeah, be careful with that one, Lizzie. That looked heavy.
More. Daddy, you didn't know there's paper there.
No.
Oh, there's paper by
I'm looking at see what Lizzie got. That looked really heavy.
I got Christmas market movie.
What'd you get?
Donald. Can I see? Donald. Oh.
Oh, that's neat, Lizzie.
A Steve. Oh my gosh. Hello Kitty socks.
Hello Kitty socks.
Oh, it did.
You got hair stuff.
Whoa.
Watch get the big one, Lizzie.
I want to get a big one too. I want to get this one.
Oh my golly, that's big.
Yeah, but Missy didn't get a big one. Whoa! It's a box!
Oh, wow.
It is snacks.
You got snacks?
It's Petey. It's Minnie.
Oh my gosh, Lizzie. Did you get a hat? Wow. I love it.
Okay, Lizzie, get the big box.
Big box. Oh, get it?
Yeah.
With it. Daddy, paper. Daddy, there's some more paper. Paper. A big box.
You got a box.
What?
Yeah, why don't you open it?
I don't know. There's a chip. Daddy, look. Oh,
That's
see.
neat.
It's
Lizzie, stay out here.
There.
What'd you get?
the
Can you
dead.
hold them up so Daddy can see?
Oh my golly. Look at those Christmas Chippendales.
Oh, I'm going to get a Chippendale one. This is the
Lizzie, you all done opening presents? You got Chippendale?
Mm-hmm. She's good.
Oh, Daddy, look.
Lizzie, there's more.
Daddy, look.
You got, Emily, you got envelopes.
No, I don't.
Oh, there's stuff in it.
I get some treasure.
You got treasure.
Chippendale.
Oh, it is size.
What's inside?
Miss
A puzzle. You know what? I think it's not a puzzle, Lizzie. Look. Can you open?
Santa cake. Poopy.
Oh.
I don't have
What are those?
Those for your tree?
So white.
Are those ornaments on the tree?
You better put that on the tree.
Here's the ribbon. Let me get him ready, okay? Look. Oh, wow, it's Dopey. He's coming out of the present. Oh, wait, they don't have ribbons. We will get ribbons. You know what? I will get ribbon, okay? And then you can hang them on the tree.
I get the same as this, but not Chippendale. More. I want a Chippendale.
Dopey.